So very warm good morning everyone. So I have another student today. So we are going to do again practice session. In this practice session, I will just go to speak some sentences in Hindi and he will translate in English. So firstly tell me your name.
Myself Varun Dixit. I am from Bagpat, Uttar Pradesh.
So how long have you been coming here?
I am coming here since 1 month.
1 month. Okay, for 1 month you have
Yes.
completed.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So normal and foundation we've completed foundation course, just foundation course we completed. So behalf of foundation I'm going to ask some question to him. Okay.
Yes.
So are you ready, Dixit?
Yes, sir. I am
Okay.
ready.
आप कहाँ के हैं?
Where are you from?
Where are you
From.
Loudly.
Where are you from?
Yeah, you can say where do you belong to. आप कहाँ से हैं? Where do you
Belongs to.
या आप बोल सकते हैं where do you belong या where are you from. Okay. मैं उत्तर प्रदेश से हूँ
I am from Uttar Pradesh,
लेकिन
but
मैं दिल्ली में रहता हूँ.
I live in Delhi.
क्या आप दिल्ली में रहते हैं?
Do you live in Delhi?
आप करते क्या हैं?
What do you do?
आपके पापा क्या करते हैं?
What does your father do?
मेरे पिताजी फार्मर हैं.
My father is a farmer.
क्या आपके पिताजी फार्मर हैं?
Does your father farmer?
लेकिन
But
मैं जॉब करता हूँ.
I am doing job.
I do job.
I do job.
क्या आप जॉब करते हैं?
Do you do job?
आप कहाँ जॉब करते हैं?
Where do you do job?
Where do you do
Do
job?
job.
Again,
Where do you do job?
मैं लक्ष्मी नगर जॉब करता हूँ.
I do job in Lakshmi Nagar.
आप लक्ष्मी नगर कैसे जाते हैं?
How you go to Lakshmi Nagar?
How do you go to
लक्ष्मी
लक्ष्मी नगर?
नगर.
मैं बस से लक्ष्मी नगर जाता हूँ.
I go to Lakshmi Nagar by bus.
लेकिन
But
क्या मुझे बाइक से जाना चाहिए?
should I go to bike?
Should I go by?
Bike.
Again,
Should I go by bike?
लेकिन
But
मेरे पास पैसा नहीं है.
I don't have money.
मैं पैसा कमाना चाहता हूँ.
I want to earn money.
क्या आप पैसा कमाना चाहते हैं?
Do you want to earn money?
क्या आप बोलना चाहते हैं?
Do you want to speak?
मुझे जॉब करनी पड़ती है.
I have to do job.
ये मेरी मजबूरी है.
It my compulsion.
It is my compulsion.
It is my compulsion.
आपकी मजबूरी क्या है?
What is your compulsion?
मुझे मजबूर मत करो.
Don't compel me.
मैं आपसे बात नहीं करना चाहता.
I don't want to talk to you.
आप मुझसे बात क्यों नहीं करना चाहते?
Why do you don't want to talk to me?
कल मैंने आपका इंतजार किया.
Yesterday yes, sir, I forgot.
कल मैंने आपका इंतजार किया.
Yesterday I was waiting for you.
मैं कर रहा था. Okay.
Yesterday I was waiting.
अब मान लीजिए मैंने कहा मैं इंतजार कर रहा था, तुम बोलते I was waiting. I waited. Okay. कल मैंने इंतजार किया.
Yesterday I waited.
लेकिन
But
आप नहीं आए.
you didn't come.
इसलिए
That's why
मैं गुस्सा हूँ.
I am in anger.
I'm angry.
I am angry.
क्या आप गुस्से में हैं?
Are you in angry?
Are you angry?
Are you angry?
लेकिन
But
मेरे पिताजी जा चुके हैं.
my father has gone.
मुझे डिस्टर्ब मत कीजिए.
Don't disturb me.
आप मुझे डिस्टर्ब क्यों करते हैं?
Why are you disturbing me?
Why do you disturb me?
Why do you disturb me?
आप चाहते क्या हैं?
What do you want?
आपका इरादा क्या है?
What is your intention?
क्या आप आ रहे हो?
Are you coming?
क्या आपने खरीद लिया?
Do you buy this?
Have you purchased this?
Have you purchased this?
मैंने ये खरीद लिया.
Yes, I purchased this.
लेकिन
But
ये मेरा है.
it's mine.
ये क्या आपका है?
It's yours.
Is it your?
Is it yours?
लेकिन
But
मेरे पापा को मत बताना.
don't tell my father.
मैं आपके पिताजी को बताऊंगा.
I will tell your father.
क्या आपको बताना चाहिए?
Should you tell?
लाउडली.
Should you tell?
लाउडली.
Should you tell?
आप मेरे अच्छे दोस्त हो.
You are my good friend.
अच्छे दोस्त होने के नाते
Uh,
being a good,
being a good friend,
आपको नहीं बताना चाहिए.
you should not
Tell.
tell.
लेकिन
But
मुझे बताना पड़ेगा.
I have to tell.
I will have to tell.
I will have to tell.
इसलिए
That's why.
मुझे मजबूर मत कीजिए.
Don't compel me.
मैं भूल गया.
I forgot.
मैं सो रहा था.
I was sleeping.
मैं इंतजार कर रहा था.
I was waiting.
I was waiting.
I was waiting.
लेकिन
But
मैं खेलने जा रहा हूँ.
I
I'm going to
I
play.
am going to play.
लाउडली.
I am going to play.
मैं वेजिटेबल खरीदने जा रहा हूँ.
I am going to buy vegetables.
क्या आपने वेजिटेबल्स खरीद ली?
Have you buy vegetables?
Have you purchased?
Have you purchased?
या have you bought?
Have you,
Okay.
have you purchased vegetables?
मैंने वेजिटेबल्स खरीद ली.
Yes, I purchased vegetables.
लेकिन
But
जहां तक मैं जानता हूँ,
as I know,
as far as I know,
as far as I know,
लाउडली,
as far as I know,
आप जॉब करते हैं.
You are doing job.
You do job.
You do job.
लेकिन
But
मैं confused हूँ.
I am confused.
क्या आप confused हैं?
Are you confused?
क्यों confused हैं?
Why are you
ये
confused?
मेरा neighbor है.
It's my neighbor.
He is my neighbor.
He is my neighbor.
क्या ये आपका neighbor है?
It's your. Is it your neighbor?
Is he your neighbor?
Is he your neighbor?
Loudly.
Is he your neighbor?
लेकिन
But
मैं आ रहा हूँ.
I am coming.
क्यों आ रहे हो?
Why are you coming?
क्यों जा रहे हो?
Why are you going?
आप किस समय जागते हो?
When did you get up?
At what time do you wake up?
At what time you get up?
बोलिए
At what time you get up?
loudly.
At what time you get up?
At what time do you get up?
At what time do you get up?
आप किस समय क्लास अटेंड करते हो?
At what time do you attend the class?
आप किस समय एक्सरसाइज करते हो?
At what time do you do exercise?
आपकी हॉबी क्या है?
What is your hobby?
अगेन
What is your hobby?
आपकी स्ट्रेंथ क्या है?
What is your strength?
आपकी वीकनेस क्या है?
What is your weakness?
आपका गोल क्या है?
What is your goal?
आपकी फेवरेट मूवी कौन सी है?
What is your favorite movie?
लाउडली.
What is your favorite movie?
आपका फेवरेट गेम कौन सा है?
What is your favorite game?
मैं नहीं जानता.
I don't know.
आप क्यों नहीं जानते?
Why do you don't know?
Why don't you know?
Why don't you know?
मैं जॉब करता हूँ.
I am doing job.
I do job.
I do job.
मेरे पास समय नहीं है,
I have no time.
इसलिए
That's why.
मुझे डिस्टर्ब मत कीजिए.
Don't disturb me.
आप चाहते क्या है?
What do you want?
क्या आपके पास गाड़ी है?
Do you have car?
Do you have a car?
Do you have a car?
मेरे पास गाड़ी नहीं है,
I don't have a car.
लेकिन
But
एक दिन
one day
मैं गाड़ी खरीदूंगा.
I will purchase a car.
इसलिए
That's why.
मैं मेहनत करता हूँ.
I am doing work.
I work hard.
I work hard.
क्या आप मेहनत करते हैं?
Do you work hard?
क्या आप इंग्लिश बोलते हैं?
Do you speak English?
मैं इंग्लिश बोलता हूँ.
I speak English.
मेरा भाई इंग्लिश बोलता है.
My brother speak English.
मेरी सिस्टर इंग्लिश बोलती है.
My sister speaks English.
लेकिन
But
मैंने खाना खा लिया है.
I have taken the.
I have taken food. बोलिए.
I have taken food.
इसलिए
That's why.
मुझे सोने दीजिए.
Let me sleep.
लेकिन
But
मेरे पापा को डिस्टर्ब मत करो.
don't disturb my father.
मेरे पिताजी खाना खा रहे हैं.
My father is eating food.
वो जॉब करते हैं.
He does do.
He does job.
He
वो
does-
आ चुके हैं.
He has come.
लाउडली.
He has come.
वो बोल चुका है.
He has speak.
स्पोकन.
He has spoken.
वो इन्फॉर्म कर चुका
He
है.
has informed.
वो डिसाइड कर चुका
He
है.
has decided.
क्या आप डिसाइड कर चुके हैं?
Do you decided?
Have you decided?
Have you decided?
Loudly.
Have you decided?
So very good. So do you feel any improvement yourself?
Yes, sir. I feel improvement and enthusiasm in myself.
Okay, very good. Do more work, okay, but
Okay.
only just 1 month completed, only just foundation completed. Don't worry, within 3 months you can speak as you want, okay?
Okay.
But it is only your hard work. I just only can teach you, but you have to do work, okay, hard. Okay, okay.
Thank you, sir.